welcome to VerySpatial TV, and this special episode is going to be our participation in the National Geographic's Genographic project. And we've actually ordered kits for ourselves, and also one that's going to be a prize for our latest contest, so at the end we'll tell you how to enter. First up, we're going to do the ever-popular unboxing of the kit. So this is the Genographic kit that comes in the mail. Okay, and inside you will see, first of all, the instructions on how to actually do the kit. So the quick start instructions. And then also some project materials are provided. First up is a lovely National Geographic map related to the Genographic project. Okay, and then a DVD explaining the project and also a nice visual explanation of the instructions. And then next up, Frank is holding up the lovely welcome card. And the very important checklist, because all of this is going to be mailed into a center for testing. And then we have the explanation of what the Genographic project is. Very nice. Okay. Next up. Okay, another checklist. There's two checklists. Very good. Okay. Your padded mailer envelope where you'll send your samples in for testing. Very good. Okay. And a very important one, Frank, hold that up a little higher. Okay. This is your consent. Remember, when you do this, you have to send this form in or they won't process your sample. Very good. And then finally, here are the sample swabs and the tubes that the samples will go in when you send them in. So that's what's in the kit. If you don't get all that stuff in your own kit, if you decide to participate, make sure that you get the materials. And now, we're going to actually participate in the Genographic project.
What we have here is the consent form that is required for the DNA testing. It features 3 sections. Each one of these sections contains your identification number for your sample, and that's very important. One section you're supposed to keep for yourself so that you can access your results online after about 4 weeks or so. The other card you need to actually package up with your sample and send back to the Genographic project. The important thing to note here is that it does request whether or not you want paternal or maternal history. If you're a female, you can only pick maternal because you don't have a Y chromosome, but if you're a male, then you can pick either paternal or female. What we have here is we have the device, the swab, that allows you to get your sample, and this is the thing that you're actually going to ship it in. So I'm going to actually get my sample now. So now that I've done these 60 seconds, I take my little bottle here and I insert this device in like this and push the plunger so that it snaps off.
So we have now completed both of our test swabs for all 3 of us, Frank, Jesse, and I, and we have put them in the appropriate envelopes and now sent them off for the testing. And when the results are in, we're actually going to show you what they look like. And if you'd like more information about the Genographic project, which we didn't really talk about generally, there's actually a book out. It's called Deep Ancestry, and it's by Dr. Spencer Wells, who is the director of the project. The Genographic project is sponsored, of course, by National Geographic, and also IBM and other companies are donating as well. So if you'd like more information, you can head over to the National Geographic website or check out the book, which is available at most bookstores. Again, these are the kits that you'll get if you choose to participate, and public participation is really what makes the Genographic project work. So if you have the money and you're interested, definitely try to participate. Okay, well, we'll wait for the results.
yourself when I walk behind you? I'm sorry.
Ha 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 ha.
I didn't know
Hey,
that.
wait, this is 9.0. Where's the guys 9.1?
Oh.